Frequently asked question in Scrum interviews. How do you measure the maturity of your Scrum process? Now, I am very clear that you cannot have a very defined one answer for this question. It varies from your context because each organization look at Scrum and Scrum maturity differently. But what if this question get asked? So here I share some ideas which you may look into and build up your answer, your maturity model on top of it. I find many people responding to maturity by talking about various ceremonies they perform. That we measure maturity based on, are we conducting daily stand-ups, are we doing sprint planning, are we doing retrospective, are we following all the Scrum ceremonies? If we are doing it, it's a mature Scrum process. In my view, that may reflect your mindset, which is too much focused on practices rather than the benefits of the practices. So if I have to take this question, my answer will start focusing on what do you want to achieve from Scrum and how maturely or how well you are able to achieve those goals. So in general, I look at the benefit of Scrum processes can be looked from three dimensions. One is that what kind of a behavioral or environmental improvement you can bring in your development team. The another could be what kind of outcomes you are generating because of Scrum implementation. And third level of improvement or a direction could be how predictable your delivery is. What is delivery maturity? Now many of us may only focus on delivery maturity because we are coming from delivery background. But overall, maybe your stakeholders might focus on the first two more. So you can talk about what kind of a behavioral changes you have seen in or you want to see in the Scrum implementation. Some of the behavioral changes example could be that people are more open to share, they collaborate, they don't hide information, they volunteer to do the work. You don't have to push the work to someone. People see the need and they come forward and collaborate. If you see that, you do see that Scrum process, Agile process is maturing because people are more transparent, open, accountable and collaborative about their work. The outcome focus would be that are my stakeholders seeing the value coming out from Scrum? Are you able to put things in the market faster? Were you able to deliver more things to the market in order to make money? So are you getting the desired outcomes because of your Scrum implementation from sprint by sprint? If you are getting it, that shows the outcome level of maturity in your Scrum process. The third, and I would say most talked about, is a delivery maturity. How predictable, mature your delivery processes are. Is your rate of delivery predictable? Means, do you have a predictable velocity? Is your way of doing retrospective is mature enough? Are you following those practices again and again? Or were you able to reduce your cycle time from sprint by sprint or month by month? So the way you deliver fast or the way you manage your work may show your delivery level maturity. So you need to reflect on this question and bring up some of the authentic example from your own Scrum implementation and share it with others.